guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notification bells. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make sauce pois. That's right guys, Haitian bean sauce. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you cook about 2 cups of beans. If you guys been watching me for a little bit, you know that I love my puesto, aka pressure cooker. All right, I live by this. It's quick, it's easy to cook food. So I did go ahead and I cooked my beans for about 30 minutes. It was 2 cups of beans, and these are the other ingredients that you will need: some scotch bonnet pepper, sazon, salt, and some garlic. All right, now I went ahead and I took half of that beans that was cooked. I didn't use all the water. The reason being, I don't want the sauce pois to be too thick. Now you can kind of gauge how thick you want your bean sauce to be just simply by putting less water. So if you want it more on the thicker side, add more beans and less water. All right, so now, like I mentioned in the previous clip, I did cook 2 cups of beans. So 2 cups of beans, I blended 1 cup of beans with minimal water, and then here I'm getting ready to make my bean sauce. I added the other cup, so I added the other cup of beans here, and then I added the little bit of water that was left in that 2 cups ratio. All right, so you're gonna let that boil up for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you want to add 1 tablespoon of salt. All right, and like I tell you guys in my previous videos, the best way to taste or to season your food is to taste as you go. 1 tablespoon of salt may be too much for you all, but you can taste as you go. If you feel like it may need a little bit more, if you feel like it needs a little less, you can go ahead and gauge the amount of salt that you want just by tasting as you go. So now I added my mashed garlic. Yeah, no, I love my mashed garlic. I mash it freshly inside of my pilon, my wooden smasher. So yeah, and I just put that in there. Guys, the garlic will give this sauce pois a great flavor, okay? And then I added my sazon seasoning. You don't need to add too much of that because that has salt, and we already added 1 tablespoon of salt. All right, so now you want to let that boil up, and then you pour in your sauce pois puree. Remember, if you don't want your bean sauce to be too thick, you just, add water. All right, but if you do want it to be more on the thicker side, you add more beans and less water when you blend it. All right, so just like so, I added my beans. You want to add your clove, your scotch bonnet pepper with your cloves. This also add extra flavor, and let it boil up. Let it simmer up for about 10-15 minutes, and then you see how this looks. You see the consistency. That's all it takes to cook sauce pois, guys. It's very simple. And you guys can also pair it up with some rice. I had some turkey neck and some white rice, but that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Go ahead and tell me what you guys want to see in the next video in the comment section. All right, bye.